Today we're having a look at the 38mm reel knob and the 45mm reel knob. Our reel knobs have a anodized Aero aluminum construction. They are designed for ease of maintenance and they are saltwater resistant with easy drainage. Different colors become available at different times, so please give us a shout if your color of choice is not displayed in this video. All our reel knobs also include a hardware pack, which includes 2 bearings, multiple spacers, plastic, brass and steel. I'm going to do a demonstration on a Shimano Stradic CI4 Plus 4000 installing a 38mm reel knob. Installation is going to take you less than 5 minutes. I'm going to start by taking the cap off. Insert 1 metal spacer on the inside the bearing, 1 more metal spacer, and that's it, done for the inside. I will not be using the shaft that's supplied, as the shaft on the reel is sufficient. So once I've slid that on there, you can see the spacing is pretty good over here. So then comes the next bit, which is a brass spacer. I'm going to try 2 plastic spacers and the bearing. The supplied screw goes in. Screw that on. That feels good. That's got movement to it. Put on the top cap. And you're done. I don't have any play in this reel knob. So that's the installation of the 38mm reel knob. The 38mm reel knob is suitable for all reel brands. Reel size is a recommendation of 2,500 to 4,000. However, these will work on any size reel. These are available in multiple colors and they weigh 27 grams. The 45mm reel knob is suitable for all reel brands. Reel size recommendation of 3,000 to 5,000. However, these will work on any reel size. These are available in multiple colors and they weigh 34 grams. Thanks for watching. My number is at the bottom of the screen. If you have any questions about any of our products or if you just want to have a general chat, I am available at any time. Feel free to reach out on email, info@tidal-hook.com. You can also find us on Facebook. Please give us a like under Tidal Hook. We're on Instagram as well, YouTube under Tidal Hook. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also check out our website at www.tidal-hook.com.